really what I'm hearing people want to talk about is how do we get the answers to our questions? And so people are conflating big data from where we come from, which is hardcore ops, hardcore infrastructure, meaning how do I store these millions of rows of stuff, and bigger than that in some cases. And they're conflating that with how do I get the answers to my questions?
So these new technologies, from computers and software to big data, are allowing us to make decisions that we never could have made before, handle all sorts of data questions. And we see this as just as profound an inflection point as the first machine age.
だからあらゆる産業とあらゆるプロセス、例えば企画だとか研究だとか販売だとか、例えば生産の予測だとか、全てに影響があってます。だから、僕は3回目の産業革命だと思ってます。
We do need to be more thoughtful about the data we store. And I don't think that means that, people are going to have so much data coming in that they don't know what to do with it. I think actually what that means is that they're going to have so much data coming in, they're going to find that they're not going to use some data. And so honestly, maybe it's time to even have more of like a feng shui approach to data. Like what data do we want to have? What data are we using?
で、ビッグデータはそれを僕のために使ってくれる。だから僕が好きな車、僕が好きな本を作ってくれて売ってくれる。だから自分の生活も変わるけど仕事も変わるし遊びも変わるっていう世界がこれから出てくると思うんですね。
Well, there are a lot of challenges right now for CIOs. Big data is certainly one of the largest trends that's going on right now. Security and privacy are issues with all of the data that's flowing around. The issue of trust is a natural outgrowth of those issues, and what I always suggest is that companies try to create a good experience for the customers. That's the basis of trust.
Anyone under 25, for the most part, has the same views on privacy and data and trust, which is they don't really care. Doesn't mean that they don't care about data. They don't care about the things that we care about. Their ideas of privacy are different than ours. Their ideas of trust are different than ours, and their ideas of around data are different than ours. We talk to young people, everything is in a cloud. There's nothing permanent. And I think there's this big difference where data, it's more about control for the younger people. It's less about privacy. And I think when we, as older people, are thinking about this, we just can't even wrap our heads around what that means.
これからシステム部門っていうのは、イノベーションを起こすCEO のもう一つの片割れが CIO でシステム部門人間っていうふうに思ってます。これなぜかっていうとビッグデータなんですね。ビッグデータをコントロールできるのはシステム部門だけです。システム部門のデータっていうのは業務部門の業務をやってる方のデータです。だけども業務やってる方はシステムわからないんでデータの使い方も抜き方もどこに発生するかもどのくらい滞留してるかもわかんないんです。それを全て知ってるのがシステム部門ですね。